Hey there, Insert Knowledge fans! Ready to dive into something that keeps your business running strong? Yep, I'm talking about commercial insurance. This isn't your typical personal insurance. It's custom built to handle the risks businesses face every single day. Whether you're running a local cafe or a nationwide corporation, commercial insurance is the safety net every business needs. First up, we've got general liability insurance, the ultimate shield for businesses. This protects against things like customer injuries, property damage, and even claims from advertising mishaps. Picture this: a customer slips in your store, or your product accidentally causes damage. Instead of panicking, your general liability insurance steps in to cover medical costs, legal fees, and even settlements. It's a must-have for any business, big or small. Next, let's talk about commercial property insurance, the guardian of your physical assets. Got a storefront, warehouse, or office? This covers damage from fires, theft, vandalism, and more. Imagine a bakery whose equipment is ruined in a fire. This insurance pays for repairs and replacements so you can get back to baking. Bonus? Many policies include business interruption coverage. So, if you have to shut down temporarily, you're not losing income. Now here's another essential commercial auto insurance. If your business relies on vehicles, whether it's a single delivery van or a whole fleet, this policy has your back. It covers accidents, injuries, and even vehicle damage. Say your delivery truck gets into a fender bender. Repairs? Covered. Medical bills? Covered. Liability? You guessed it, covered. And what about your team? That's where workers' compensation insurance comes in. If an employee gets hurt or sick on the job, workers' comp handles medical bills, lost wages, and rehab costs. Plus, it keeps your business compliant with legal requirements while showing your employees you've got their backs. For businesses juggling multiple risks, commercial package policies, or CPPs, are a lifesaver. Think of it as a bundle deal for your business. General liability, property insurance, and more, all wrapped into one customizable package. Need to add coverage for cyber risks or employee theft? No problem. CPPs let you build the perfect insurance combo for your unique needs. And if you're looking for extra protection, there's umbrella and excess liability insurance. Think of it as your just-in-case backup plan. If a claim goes beyond the limits of your primary policies, this steps in to cover the rest. Whether it's a major lawsuit or a massive property claim, umbrella insurance gives you that added layer of security. From everyday mishaps to big, unexpected disasters, commercial insurance keeps businesses protected and thriving. It's about more than just coverage. It's about peace of mind, knowing you're ready for anything. If you're a business owner or just curious about how insurance works behind the scenes, hit that subscribe button for more quick, easy-to-understand breakdowns of all things insurance. Keep your business moving forward confidently.